Hey everyone, it's me Megs, and I'm back with another video of this personality unit, aka wig. And you know I love a good protective style, especially for the summer. And this is a Kinky Straight 22-inch 180 density air wig, and that's new for me, by Junoda Hair. So let's go ahead and get into all the details about this wig. Okay, so the wig came in this really cute gold foil box, and you know what? I really appreciate that this wig did come with like a satin-like bag sleeve, because I did travel with this wig. In this video, I am currently in Cincinnati, Ohio. So shout out to Cincinnati, Ohio. And within my package, it did come with a satin-like bonnet. And you know, I love a good bonnet. And it was pink, so I was like, that's cute. So also within my package, I did have a wig kit, which I really appreciate, which makes this really cool for beginners as well. It gives you everything that you may need for your wig application and maintenance. So this did come with a wig cap, which I can never have enough of these wig caps. You always going to need that. An edge control brush if you choose to do baby hairs. I like to use these brushes on my natural hair as well. They're really good. This one has a comb and a brush. It does have a melting elastic band, so you can get that lace right in tight. And with this band, it was really comfortable because it does have Velcro attachment on the back. So I really did appreciate that with this package, because I didn't have to, find one of my own. It also came with a do's and don'ts instruction step-by-step manual, which makes this great for beginners. And they did give me some lashes here, and I'm sorry, this was upside down. A really cute bobby pin, a decorative bobby pin. So this is the Kinky Straight texture. This is 22 inches, 180 density, and I did wash and condition this hair, and this is exactly how it air dried. And I personally love Kinky Straight textures, especially for myself, because it tends to look more realistic with a bit of texture, especially when you choose to flat iron it, because it mimics blown out natural and relaxed hair, and I just feel like that just looks better on me personally. And I just love Kinky Straight textures overall. It's just so beautiful and full. So this is indeed an air wig, and I don't think I've ever had an air wig before. And this wig allows your hair and scalp to breathe, especially during these summer months that are coming up. This wig does have 3 combs and an elastic band. And with this being an air wig, you can actually access your scalp. So you can take a little comb and scratch if you need to. But what I like about this wig also, it is glueless. So this does have an elastic band that you can adjust, which makes it nice and comfortable, because I did notice with this wig, there is no adjustable strap at the nape, which is also pretty nice as well, because it has a silicone strap at the back, which makes it really comfortable to wear. And it does have a comb at the nape for extra security. So this lace is pre-plucked and pre-cut and pre-bleached knots, which I really appreciate, because these knots are single knotted, as well as the closure. It's a 4.5 by 6 lace closure. So I really like the lace closure. And the lace was nice and thin, because that's one of the concerns of mine, since I am dark, that the lace tends to do that flashback thing. So I do appreciate that this lace was pre-bleached and pre-plucked for easy wear, especially for beginners or just someone who doesn't have a lot of time on their hands like me, just want to go. So I am going to put my hair into a low bun just to make sure that the wig lays nice and flat and make sure everything is really nice and comfortable. I am going to put on this wig cap. But with this wig cap, I noticed it was a bit light for me. I think I would prefer something a little darker. So I am going to have to apply some foundation to this wig cap just to make sure everything looks super seamless. And I am going to use my foundation color that I am wearing for my face today. So I gotta shake this, foundation up, make sure it's nice and good to go. So I'm gonna put kind of a bit on here just to make sure that it's giving scalp in the parting. And I am gonna apply a bit onto the closure here just to ensure that I am giving realistic. This is just a personal preference. You do not have to do this. And I am gonna adjust the elastic band strap to this wig for my comfort. So I'm just going to pop this bad boy on like so. And I'm already getting really excited because I'm like, oh, I am loving this because it is a lace closure. I don't have to worry about ear tabs and having to cut around my ear with lace. This is just so easy peasy, okay? So I'm making sure this wig fits correctly. And what I did notice with my experience with this wig is too big for me. I actually need something a bit smaller so I can get a better fitting wig to wear it glueless. Since this is a glueless wig, you don't need glue, but since my wig was a bit big, my lace didn't fit closely to my head as I would like it. If it were a little smaller, I think I wouldn't have that issue. But the hair is absolutely beautiful. I love how full it is. You can do so many things with kinky straight textures, but today I think I'm going to flat iron it because I want kind of like that silk press look. And when I tell you this wig was very lightweight, it was super light. Even though it was 180 density, it wasn't heavy at all. So I am going to use my Care Silk and Seal Heat Protectant because that's super important even though it is a wig. Put some heat protectant on your wig to preserve the hair quality, okay? So I am going to do this in sections because this wig is 180 density and girl, you need to really get in there to press this out because I love a pressed out kinky straight wig, okay? And I did wash and condition this hair with some Care moisturizing products, which really gave me the results that I was really wanting. So within each section, you're going to take small sections to really get that look, you know, if you want a real pressed down look. And I turned this iron all the way up to 400 degrees. You got to turn the iron up, okay, to get that pressed down look, okay? So this was a super easy press out, y'all, with the chase method. And I am really loving how shiny this hair was even before I put anything on it. Straight out the box, it was gorgeous. So as you can see, it gives a really pretty, soft, silk press look. So I was really excited at this point. I'm like, this is giving me the look that I love. I love a kinky straight. The hair was super soft, very lightweight. But also what I love about this wig is you could actually wear it in its more textured state, just down, and it's gorgeous. You can do a braid out, you could do a twist out with this hair, roller set, you could do anything with this hair, okay? And I love the parting space with this closure, which makes it easy for beginners because you don't have to worry about so much of a frontal with this wig. It's just a closure. You just pop it on and go. So I will say the flat iron process was super easy because it only really needed 1 to 2 passes to get the look that I personally was going for. So it's just giving shine, it's giving beautiful, it's giving realistic. That's why I love kinky straight texture so much. Ooh, and I'm like really, really loving this. Okay, imagine if you put some layers in this wig. Look, I'm not going to put any layers. I may put some layers later on, but it is so beautiful because, you know, kinky straight textures also color very beautifully as well. But I'm going to leave this exactly like this because the dark, I believe this is a 1B, is just so, so pretty. And it's laying super flat. And I really love this closure. So I'm just going to continue to flat iron this wig. And what I really like about this air wig is that it's really nice and flat at the top. Like some other wigs that I do own, they bundle all the tracks at the top. But the wig, with this wig, the tracks are staggered, kind of like stepped down at the top to give you a really nice flat appearance at the top. So you won't have that hump look. Because nobody wants that. Who wants that Humpty Dumpty look at the top? Because no, that's not cute. But y'all, look at this. It's giving Rapunzel. It's giving Black Barbie. It's giving shine. Little effort. It's beautiful. I love this wig. So to give it an even more flat appearance at the top, and I really love that this was pre-plucked, so I didn't have to do anything but put it on. That's what I like about this wig. All I had to do was put it on, and it pressed out so well. It's so flat at the top. Hands down, I think this is one of the best kinky straight wigs that I have ever reviewed, to be honest, and I'm being honest for real. I love this cap construction. I love the wig construction, the pre-plucked lace closure. It just looks really, really good. So this is a glueless wig, but like I said, unfortunately, this wig was a little too big for me. So my lace did not lay flat for me to go completely glueless. So I did have to put a little bit of glue just to make sure that the very ends of that lace laid flat for me, because I want to give realness. I want to give what lace. But you absolutely do not have to put glue on this wig, okay? I'm only putting this on because it was a little big and I just wanted to look really nice and neat at the front. And I am going to put a little bit of foundation into the parting, and that's just a personal preference of what I do with all of my wigs. And I am very satisfied with how this is laying so flat. It just took very little effort to make this wig look good, which I really think this will be great for beginners, because lace wigs can be pretty intimidating, and this one was super easy, okay? So I did put some hairspray at the top just to make sure everything was laying nice and how I want it. And you know what I noticed with this wig? There was no flyaways at the top. So there were no short hairs. It was full from root to end, and the shine, the softness, the sway, beautiful. This quality is on point. Like A1. My niece popped up. She was in there watching me do a tutorial. So I am really loving how this wig turned out. I am allowing the melting band to do what it needs to do, and I let it sit on for about 10 minutes because I didn't apply a lot of glue. I just wanted the edges just to lay pretty flat there, and it's giving realistic. It's giving realness. It's giving flat. So this is 22 inches. I am 4'11". This wig is amazing. I really, really like this wig, and I highly suggest this to you guys if you want to try a kinky straight wig. Very lightweight. And what I did notice, one thing I did notice, because this is an air wig with my wig cap being quite light, I did have to make sure that it didn't show through the back. So applying some hairspray fixed that. But overall, I really like this wig, and all the information about this wig will be down in the description below. And you know, just applying a little more makeup to the front just really masks everything. It's like, what lace? It's giving, this is my hair. I grew this, okay? So I'm really excited to play more with this hair for future videos, doing some braid outs, some twist outs, giving it some textured styles. It's just amazing. I really, really like this wig, and I'm not just saying that just to say it, because I've reviewed a lot of wigs, y'all, and this one was different for me. I can definitely tell. So I'm hoping you guys have the same experience with this wig, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me, and all information about this wig will be down in the description below. And as always, thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.